Log into business.facebook.com with your Facebook credentials. Once you have logged into business.facebook.com, click on More Tools, click on Business Settings, and select your business page. Before you proceed, understand that as of May 2, 2022, business verification is not mandatory. Your businesses can start messaging customers after you've completed the embedded sign-up processes. Business verification and display name review will no longer be needed to get started on the WhatsApp business platform. The WhatsApp account checks will be triggered automatically and conducted asynchronously. After sign-up, your business can respond to unlimited customer-initiated conversations in 24-hour messaging windows. Send business-initiated conversations to 50 unique customers in a rolling 24-hour period per phone number. Register up to 2 phone numbers. As your business grows, if you look to increase the messaging and phone number limits, you'll have to complete business verification and display name review. Let us proceed with business verification demo. In the business page, look for Security Center and click Verify Business. Fill all the necessary details. Make sure all the details provided are as per the legal documents you would submit for verification. Click Next and upload or drag and drop the legal documents. Make sure the details are accurate. Click Next. This would take you through the verification step to verify your business address and phone number. Once the verification is done, finally a verification code is sent to your business email ID. Enter the verification code and complete the process.